Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with
Cannibal Cat.
And we are doing a switcheroo of styles.
A style swap.
Because if you know us from Claire's channel,
she is my opposite twin.
Yes.
And that is what has been going on. So we are going to take each other's styles and put them on each other. She is natural and simple and elegant. I, on the other hand, look like I walked out of a trash can in hell. So that's the look that we're going for today.
And I already filmed mine, so now we're gonna do hers. But we're doing the intro for my channel now. So
we're so bad at this.
We're so bad at YouTube, guys. Like, I don't think you understand. So we mixed this all up. So it was an adventure. I hope you guys enjoy.
So keep watching if you want to see her turn into this.
What she is.
This.
And then if you want to see me turn her into like normal, go over to her channel. I'll have the video and her channel linked in the description.
Check it out.
So go check it out and hope you guys enjoy.
So we're going to be applying makeup. I'm going to do most of this in time lapse because it's going to be a lot of makeup, but you'll see the process.
Pixel never joins me for my videos except for this one right now.
Aww. Aww. Alright, now we're gonna put on some blush.
Pixel's getting makeup all over.
It's fine, she likes it.
She's a girl too.
She's like, ooh, I like makeup. Oh, stop, it's cute. Dude, this looks fabulous on you, to be fucking honest.
Okay. I see me, okay. Oh no!
We just even out those contour cheekbones.
Contour cheekbones.
Because wow, your girl likes to overdo it.
Damn.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn, Daniel. Damn.
Okay. And they've got spices. Close your little eyes. Your precious, precious eyes. I'm sorry I'm like this. There you go. Because that's how you get one.
Oh my god. thank you so much for watching. That was an adventure, to say the least. And I'm about to wash all this off my face, and it's gonna be also an adventure. So comment down below if you really like this video, if you have any other video ideas, if you have any Japanese questions. Like the video, go subscribe to Cannibal Cat down below. She's holding the camera. And I'll see you guys next time. じゃあまたね. Bye!